That's my pair. I wouldn't have thrown that. Because that is my par. Thank you.
Oh, Connor? Connor might go.
Not gonna go down for him, but
No?
you call him all you want. That boy is not gonna fight him. No reason for him to fight.
Four,
Now
four,
you pay. Now you
8,
pay.
12, 16, 16.
You pay.
Where was it? Here?
Only one. One more. Isa pa.
Isa pa?
Ito na lang natin.
Wala na?
Wala na?
Wala na?
No mas. No mas? No
You're
mas?
choke, you're choke.
2 8. Okay. That is faux. Balls.
High or low?
Super high.
Wrong. High?
Super high. At least I said it correct. Super high.
Paper naman tayo yan.
You got your mojo back. Mojo back.
Five balls.
Ay, yung mga si Blue.
Nate, congrats. On what?
Congrats on
Who
getting
cares?
knocked out, bro.
Did you just say congrats on getting knocked out?
Bro. Yeah.
Ito ko ng tahinga ko. Hindi ko mga in 6 weeks. Do you want him back? Do you want him back? Don't guys. What do you want? Lane card.
Nice.
Ankle.
Let's go back on. No matter what, no matter who, no matter what. 3 care.
Nathan Diaz.
Nathan? What?
That's the last fight.
No, round around one.
Ronda Rousey.
Ah, yung babae, the one that I told you that I keep seeing on Netflix, they were advertising it.
Ronda Rousey. Three cards.
No mas.
Ito na, guys. 8 card.
Yay! No.
Huh?
8 cards.
8 decline. No thank you. Oh, I should have just gotten it. No card.
Nice. Tatlo na.
Press.
Which means this.
You have the... Oh, is
Five
that-
stages.
Yes, I do.
I know, I see it. Right there. Right in front of me. 2 of them
There's the 8.
staring at me. No, I have to eat.
Ito na, guys. One ball.
I know, I was gonna say, I thought I saw that somewhere. It's me, it's me. It is me. 6 star. I give you another one. I have 2 of those.
Should have kept.
I can't. That's nothing. I mean.
Ah, shoot, this is what the league is waiting for. They give it to him. Yeah, okay, okay. 8 balls.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ano man? I just do this to the dip.
What? Mhm.
Wow.
That's the one that the lady was talking about. Fatay, fatay. Fatay, fatay. Fatay, Lucy. One boy.
Dalawa?
Wala, patay. I have it, I have it. I have it.
Moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis symptoms can keep coming back.
6 balls.
Wow.
Wala? 3.
No.
Five.
What if you have 4 or look?
1-4.
1-4 out.
Alam niyo ba kanina pa ako nagtatry mag 7 pairs? Walang madikit sa akin.
Kaya
Tinapo ko na yung 6 card ko.
birdie. Kailangan.
Ang mga puro.
1-4 is my 4.
Anong hindi mo maparisan?
Paris-paris na yan, 2. Kasi kaya ako nga inano to.
Ba't
tatlo
nagtapo
to.
ng 3?
Hindi, nakuha ko lang to. Kakakuha ko lang. Dalawa 6 ko din, hindi ko matapon. Eh puta nung nakuha ko yung 3, tinapo ko na yung 6. Eh pipupuro ko na lang. Wala naman Paris eh. Eh wala, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa lang mo, ayaw talaga. Ay, di ba? I said forget it, forget it.
4 was good.
4 balls?
No card.
Oh, I don't have a car. I only have 5, 6, 7.
Same.
I only have 5, 6, 7. I have 2, 6 car, and I let it go.
8 balls.
Oh, yeah.
No, I was full already 1-4.
Oh, then why would you call? Of course, I can't do it. You won't let me. What kind of art is this? Fans, do you see this? Ito ang tinatawag na lahat pa na.
Ano, kukuha ka pa ng ano?
11! What the heck?
Makakuha ka ng...
What the heck, guys? Wow. Kabuo isa.
Wala nang bumalik.
Wala na.
Wala nang bumalik.
Isa.
Wala na.
What are all these things? Jana?
Yeah, she wants to sell them.
You guys ate yet? You guys ate?
Yes.
Where's the $6?
There.
Ito, Jana, kumain ka ba?
Ay, ito yung po.
Kain tayo, kain.
Sige po.
That's it, gusto.
Yeah.
If you guys go this
What are you yapping about? Oh, wow.
Oh. Yep, yep.
Oh,
Yung nag-iisang buo ko na nabuo ko. Thank you very much.
Was that the place?
Thank you, Jeffrey. You're so kind to me. Fans, that was my only buo.
Why?
Wow. Wow.
4 steaks. Agad.
Wow. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
Yun, marapit sa ronda.
oh,
Ngayon
she's
pa lang?
probably gonna fight now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, really good.
Oh, at least you got ano. Mine's buo.
Mali?
Eh. No, thank you.
Oh, I thought you might need.
No. One card.
Kung ako kanina pa pala yun. Kanina pa pala ako may 1 ka. Naalala ko. Tingin ko wala ako. Sila Kanyo pala kalaban niya.
5 balls.
Sila Kanyo.
So wrong.
Ayan, ano? 7 steaks.
So wrong.
Oh, yes. Amarindo.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
You saved my 4. Thank you, buddy. 6 sticks.
Yeah, thank you because you saved our Joker.
Sakta mo to.
Naman.
Wala nga pala.
Dalawa.
You're going home tonight?
No. Monday
Can you
maybe.
go? Birdie.
Monday maybe.
Monday?
Tomorrow is John's graduation party.
Pate.
So Louis is gonna stay.
Is that how you get Brian out?
No,
So
he's
where?
going to a card show tomorrow with Jesse.
Oh, I knew it. I was like, there's a
Why is
reason.
Brian
There's a
out?
reason, yeah. I knew it, I knew
He's
it.
going to Ceci's work, the Marriott one.
Oh, the Marriott?
8-6.
Where?
Oh, you should tell Elijah to go with them tomorrow.
He's not feeling good.
Oh, no?
Ito, may nakasila dyan.
Ano tawag doon? Sipon.
Oh.
He's doing laundry now, Ben.
I know, I checked on him when we went home.
Okay pala na yan.
Okay na, napagaling na siya ng kanyang nurse. Mayroon pa ngang baked cookies. What's that, Luke?
Masarap actually yung bake cookies.
Wow.
Bake ano?
Yung cookies, masarap ba? Wait for card.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaya yun eh. THC yun.
May ano?
THC.
Oh, binake yung ano.
Ay, bago ko kinakain, kaya ako nakatulog.
Chocolate, ano tayo doon? Chocolate chip something.
Chocolate chip cookies?
Oo. Guys, what do you guys want? Ano ba yung patola? I don't know what to do. Sige naman, ito naman. 3 car. Ah! That's why I was contemplating, look!
Sabi ko, pagka
Why
kanina pa
didn't
yung
you
supporter
stop
kung
me?
ano siya, sabi ko, susunod na ito, 3 cut patapon eh.
Why did... No, ito dapat natapon ko. Namili ako.
Tama yan, sinira ko yung game.
Namili ako.
Sabi nga nakagalaw joker, bumuti ka mo kinip ko yung video.
Kaso wala eh, puro kasi eh. Kung kinip ko 3, tinapon ko 8.
Why you didn't throw one ball at 9 now?
No, that's my pair.
Should've
It was
just
just a
thrown it.
matter
Oh
of...
my
Ano
God,
tapo mo
should've
dapat?
done
Hindi yun.
9 car nga. Ito, hawak ko
Ako
kanina
na
eh.
lang tinapon.
Yeah, you
Kasi
should
lang
have
kay Totodas.
Hindi, ako lang.
Ito oh!
No, not throw that. Boom.
Oh, yan oh.
Regular though.
Kasi dalawa yung trick ko eh. Eh kaso wala, pupuro ko eh. Siyempre ganun sa puro.
Okay, okay, naman.
Yeah, pupuro eh. Eh, mamimirmis ako and I'm not puro. No, 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 no.
Should've, you should've.
What I mess up my cards. Amen.
4.
Oh, I got it. 9
Oh,
card
you were
talaga.
going
9
up to
card.
9 card.
And I was holding it.
Yours, Studio.
But wala eh. I can't permit like that.
Ano yun?
Finish it.
Because my card was gonna puro, so I can't do that.
Dati yun. No, kasi Amanda Nunes who just
Beat Roger twice. Twice.
I know, Ali Holmes pero once. Ali Holmes? Right.
Yes. But Nunez was for
Nunes was the first one. The Lioness. The Lioness.
Fans, do you see this? What kind of cards are these? 6-9.
Where is she now?
I honestly haven't seen her in a while
Wala
either.
na siya, no?
Ayaw
No one
nga.
is tiger.
Exactly.
It must be the shrimp that I ate.
Bold says, Paiba.
Unang ipon at tatay ng kaklase.
Yes.
Pero mukhang nurse din eh. Sabi
Sino
ko,
ba?
Hindi ka klase ni ano.
sa hanap natin,
Si Lance Stevenson.
ano daw, sa BA, ano daw siya sa trabaho eh. Mga kasama niya daw nurse, kaya familiar siya sa Filipino food. So, baka malamang nurse na.
No more drills.
Ako no mas.
Yan yun.
4, 8, 12, 16, 17. No mas. No mas. No mas.
Wala na.
169. Hello, bata. CB. Balay bata. 169. 3, 6, 7.
6, please. Yes.
I think it's Car or Flores. It's Car.
9.
Hindi. 3.
Oh.
1 care. 169. Balay bata. Pero spell mo ko neto ha. Kasi sa akin yan eh. Gagawin ko.
Suka.
Uy, alam niyo ba na si ano? Si
Hindi commercial pala McDonald's oh.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Oh, the new one?
Ayan, nanadyo.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that.
Oo, nakita ko. Si Tita Wendy nag-text ng ano. Oh, that's why you wanted 9 car buddy.
Kanya ko basta na siya.
Hindi, nagahiya siya nung Webes. Doon sa ano, kaya ano. Sabi ko, hindi ako makahanap ng isa pang player. Dahil wala nga si Lito, di ba? Eh si Glenny, asan ba si Glenny nga? Ah, pupunta siya sa ano,
Kasi may Filipino.
sa Florida. Si Tiloday umuo. Kaso si Charles pumasok ng Thursday, kaya sabi ko kulang ng player.
Thursday?
Oo.
Sayang.
Aga eh.
Pagilid mo.
Tuesday, aga eh. Sabi ko, sorry, Tita Wins. Wala eh.
8 more.
Shibari bari. Shibari bari.
Hold it safe.
Well, where are you coming from, bro? D. Anong balls?
Or
Should I get it or
No.
should I not?
How many there na?
dalawa pa rin sa ginagawa ko doon sa fishbowl ko dali.
14.
15, buddy.
Shibari bari. Shibari bari.
Todas buddy. Thank you very
Are
much.
you gonna throw that?
Yeah.
Really, huh?
Whatever you throw.
Whatever I throw.
Whatever you throw,
Destroy it.
Luis is
Destroy
gonna put down his tiles right away.
Backward or forward. Depending what you throw.
Just throw it down.
Just throw.
Two sticks.
Basta na. Nako.
Kailan yan? Sa ano, next fall down, 2021. Fall this fall.
Fans, fans. Do you see this, fans? Do you see this, fans?
Guys. Second ball.
Oh my God! Ligang gang gang. Mukhang pera.
Wrong one.
Oh my God! I changed my mind. Angkar. Don't judge me, fans. Don't judge me.
That's why I don't want to be on camera.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't judge me. This is 3. Tough. This is a tough one, okay?
Tough call, tough
Yeah,
call.
yes. Don't judge me, fans. One card.
That's 3 too?
Yeah, 3. Do not judge me, fans. Do not judge me.
Oh, there.
That's the first.
Come.
Hello. That's the first.
And the last.
First and last.
Oh, shoot, buddy. I don't know.
Give it to Lou. Take
Ah. Lower to other end, guys.
I don't have it.
What? And?
And
Nobody has it, Lou. Who do you think is gonna win here, Luis?
me.
No, I meant them.
Ay,
Bunot?
Hi, bunot.
What do you need, Lou?
6, 2, 5.
I don't have anything. Oh, see, I was right, fans, to Kang. Oh, thank you, Julius. I was right to Kang.
Oh, yeah.
So that's how.
You see?
30, 30, 30.
60.
6.
High.
6.
6.
Because it's a
Bunot.
3, Bunot, and then my 3. 6. See, I was right.
You put it here.
Was I right or was I right?
Ladies and gentlemen.
you're sleepy.
When
Lucy's
our,
sleepy, Lou.
she always is. When isn't she? You don't want to lay down inside?
That's why Luis is
No, so this person that I want,
Like
that's
Starbucks.
whether she wins or not. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, she does
It's
that.
hard.
Yeah, yeah, she does that.
Dude, you're wondering
It's like
why
with feelings.
Crystal likes Starbucks if
Why?
it doesn't keep her
Awake.
awake. I'm just kidding. Na-stock up na yung nasa ko eh. I-stock up sa Starbucks. Ha? Box?
Meron ako nito eh. Meron ako niyan ah. Kasha sa akin yan.
Face, buddy.
Kasha yan sa akin. Shiwari-bari-wa. See, fans? You see what I did there? I was so right.
Kasi Mahal, pasensya na daw, hindi daw tayo maasikaso masyado. Sabi ko, okay lang.
Hello, nasikasa ka muna natin ang sarili natin sa mga bisita niya.
At tinanong ka ba lahat pa din ba tao? Oo, madami pa din. Ang kasama natin, nurse ni Levi, na-incheck eh. Parang nag-ihaw pa eh. At ano kasi Maya, yung incheck ba nakaklase ni Levi, yan pa, yung kakatrabaho niya? Ano nang lagay?
Kung lahat siya tinitira, patron,
O di, parang talagang pinagandaan niya na. Ano talaga, ano?
Bud Light,
Aga, tikita eh.
tindi. Next, huh? My turn?
Mano, mano. Flores, Flores.
Mano.
Shiwari-bari-woo. No mas. Oh, ayan na siya. No. No mas.
No more.
Wala na.
Four, eight, nine.
Dapat kumakontrol eh.
Para magbayad tayo. That how many? Nine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 sticks. 9 sticks.
She's scary. Scary.
This map is always last night.
Bomb.
Scary.
She's made in chow.
Oh, wow.
Ciao what? Oh wow! Wow, look!
I didn't even
You're such a jinx. That's why. You're such a oh, see what happened, Lou?
Okay, throw that right here.
9 sticks.
You're such a jinx, Lou. I forgot about it until you said you should have made him chow.
To only that.
I wasn't.
I know,
Because I'm
once
like,
you threw a
huh?
9, I was like, wow, make him
Minecraft.
chow.
So I'm like, what are you talking about?
Ayan. Ayan pala.
Third part.
Night mode. Three cards.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't touch me.
9 card.
Mm-hmm.
Laro nga, merong ano. Pinabraga.
Ayun na pala yung main joint. Happened to my coffee.
Oh my god, I feel like
What?
Yeah, you said Coke.
I said Coke.
Oh, I heard Coke.
Coffee.
I got your back.
You're
I
right.
heard Coke.
Yeah, it's like Coke now.
Kaya sabi nga, wait, ay, sinating.
You're right.
No, Coke, it's like Coke now. Yeah.
Too
Okay,
many
okay.
jokers.
Huh?
Too many jokers. Dalawa.
Who will win here? Who will win here? I keep seeing this on
Ronda
Netflix.
Rousey will win.
You think so?
But your parlay is only.
I keep seeing. Ben, nadala mo yung
What do you
Yossi?
mean?
I don't know. I haven't checked
I keep seeing that on Facebook. I mean on Netflix.
on Netflix.
Mm-hmm. Meron promoting it.
In Los Angeles. Eagle. Are you ready to make his? Sorry, 1 ball.
3.
Tatlo. Apat.
Ikaw mo muna. Ikaw ka 4 kung get money.
Is that the new Xbox?
Yeah.
Don't be like me.
No, that's not the fourth one.
Huh?
I think
Dalawa na lahat ng mga extra.
9 balls.
You're trying to make me buy the 2K26. You know
Like
what?
a bag,
You have to have a...
Game Pass.
Hindi ko alam.
Game Pass.
No.
Yeah.
More
You
game
just buy
pass.
it.
You have
Wait,
to have
isn't that the same chick that she fought or no? Different
No,
one,
no,
huh?
Different, different.
13. 4, 8, 11.
She's a WWE superstar though.
9 balls.
What's a WWE?
Let me see.
Wait, she really a UFC fighter?
Yeah, before. And then nag-artista. Nung tinalo niya ni ano, Chris Cyborg.
Where did I see this, guys? Where did I see this?
Somewhere there.
1 ball is 3. 9 balls is 3. That's it. That's all I can help you with.
4, 8, 12, 16 naman.
2 balls.
Go ahead, go ahead. No, let's go, guys. Once it gets too long, let's go.
Daming submission. Eh, kasi magaling sa judo. Ang ano niya, yung ano niya eh. Si,
Thank you.
ang nagturo sa kanina.
Pong.
Abo nga.
Mm-hmm. He wouldn't have thought that long.
You surprised me, buddy.
He wouldn't have thought that long. 6 4.
Whatever.
Yeah.
3.
Ito na, guys.
Ronda.
Is there anything
Pong,
on
pong,
this
pong.
fight like career-wise?
This
No.
is what you gonna told us on. Buddy.
No, no,
5
go,
sticks.
guys.
Ayaw.
Because they're both retired priests.
Yeah, pero mas maaga nag-retire yung ano eh.
Hmm.
Tinalo nga siya. Yan, ang delikado.
Nang kutragis ano kagad eh.
4 balls, 4 balls.
Oh my God. Agad, ang bilis naman.
Ano yun ako, armbar ka agad. Tapos na.
Oh, shoot. Boom.
Did she tap?
Oh, shoot.
That
She
wasn't
still got
even...
it in her body. Yeah, she tapped.
So it's finished?
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. She tapped. She
They
tapped
just needed to make the money.
Yeah.
That was it.
3 seconds.
Yeah, no, in reality, probably.
Look, what did you throw?
4 balls.
What, the front of the loop?
Yeah.
That's the only one that I lost.
What?
Have you checked?
Huh?
Have you checked?
Huh?
Have you checked?
Yeah,
What do you think?
I'm not
Oh, sure.
Yeah, but Ningano won, Dodgers, I think, winning, and then Giants are winning.
That was the...
Giants are
ano?
winning.
Yeah.
Gano won.
Sorry about that, Brian. You're good
Ooh,
at playing.
that is going to be unfortunate. You only won.
I wonder if she's saying I'm sorry.
No, no. Sabi niya dapat sila tayo bumalik.
Great card.
She didn't come back. Oh, I think I'm good.
Pangay mo.
No, but if you think about it, they made easy money.
Yeah, I think it is. That's what they did. Ito na sir, so dati
They both paid
That's not even a good meaning. Guys.
Yeah, wala pang ayos.
6 edition.
Mm-mm. I don't know. I'm still shook.
I don't know, I would come back. I was a NCIS superstar. You know.
I was so shook.
No,
That's what she was thinking. Like I can't be beaten. I have to tap right now because my NCIS career.
Yep.
7 cards.
It's
Ano yung NTIS?
sama
Yung babaeng isa sa
Joker ko.
Oh, shit.
What?
7 points. Nakita tayo sa
2-4. Oh shoot, good. Dalawa tayo.
Muntik ko.
Oh, here, look.
Pero uli na namuro
Eh, kasi nung pinong niya, sabi ko, punyeta, kailangan kong pakawalan to. Kasi walang nalabas na part. Muntik na, oh. Pero inuna ko lang 5 sticks.
Joker. Remember nung I to you? Dalawa na. Oh,
Inuna ko lang yung 5 sticks eh.
Yeah, you could have caught Torres there with the third joke. No.
oh. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
No,
7
you can't. You can't. You have to have the 3 Joker on hand.
In order, yeah. From the start.
From the start.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah, not like this. Because he kept bunuting the Joker.
No, he has 2 already.
No, I mean, he kept bunuting, he bunot the last one. Yeah.
Pero ang tagal bago ako namuro. Ngayon lang ako namuro eh. Kasi nag-share pares ka eh. Kung hindi siguro sa'yo, baka
Hindi,
tumakas.
hindi rin.
Dahil tinutas, 2, 3, 4, at di ba gagamit mo na yung isa dyan. Diba?
Oh, hindi, may
Kung hindi ka muna pumong kanina,
Hindi, may botas ako kanina ng ano eh.
3 car,
3-7 ata yung 3-6.
3, 6.
Oh, butas na agad eh.
Actually, pwedeng 7 pares, pwedeng hindi. Pwede yung gawin mo. Pag, 2-5 again, 3 sticks.
Pati nga to,
kaya
puro
5
eh.
and 2.
Pwede yun.
Yun ang puro niya. Yeah.
Agad.
Pero pala po, I know, this is the one I was gonna break, but I wasn't gonna break here. This.
of the two balls.
Yeah, it's his fault. If he didn't pong, that was his fault.
That's why those are more expensive.
If he didn't pong, that was his
No, no, power. Meron ba? Meron ba?
Ako ang gulo it ended like that. Imagine if you watched it live, and how much is the ticket for that? Fairly cheap, not expensive. Okay. Huh? To watch? To watch?
Ano?
Wait,
1, 2, 3, 4.
wait, to watch? To watch?
Oh,
Live.
No, please. Live? In person?
Uh-huh.
Like 1,000, no?
$1,000?
Yeah.
Tapos it ended in like, ano? Oh, that's something.
Nasa intuit ano sila eh.
Oh, wow. Sarap, sarap.
Buddy, I told you she's still ready.
The judo,
I
huh?
told you she looks
That
scary.
doesn't go away.
No,
The judo doesn't go away. You know you want to fight Steven Seagal, right?
I don't know who that is. guys.
Steven
So
Seagal?
you don't know him?
Hindi, hindi mo kailangan.
Oh, not your, ano.
Not my age.
Yes, me.
Oh my God, what I'm gonna distract
That's
you.
because
before-
Luis didn't jinx you, didn't
I'm
see
gonna
it.
distract you before-
If Luis saw it, oh, it's dead.
That's why I said Steven Seagal. He's like, alright, let's see what's
We're supposed to be yours. More loot? No, not a lot.
You, I just got. Only once.
Oh, I know that.
See, look, these are supposed to be yours. No more
4,
pay,
8,
No more
12,
pay,
16, no man.
You got-
Buddy, these are yours.
What, the flower?
You're gonna get 13.
Wala na.
Luis, Luis, Luis.
Wait, let's see what they're saying.
They're saying they cannot believe it.
Wait, basic. It's not actual practice that because you know that on body.
Joke? Tito joke? Oh. You're sleeping today, huh, buddy?
Oh, you're fucking here about the business, huh? Okay. So, parang pang Miss Universe pa yung tayo niya.
Ha? Ano ba mean?
Ano kasi sila yung mga nauna sa kaya ano eh, kay Ronda Rousey.
Ah. Nangyari?
Ah, 9-6 ang takbo.
Everybody here, you are what get this value. Everyone home watching, you are what get this value. Everyone engaging with this event, you're the one that gives this value. You're the one that gives those guys, giving the fighters their power back. So thank you so much for caring about us. And we'll be here to
Ay,
fight
si
for you.
Jake Paul, ito dapat
You were thinking
promote.
about this fight, game planning, dreaming about it. Did you think it would be that quick?
I mean, I was hoping, I was hoping to
was
come out like, as
Record
unsafe
yun.
as possible because, I
That's
didn't
right.
want to hurt her.
I was so surprised.
It was just
I was so surprised. I went,
martial
what?
arts. That's what I think that is. That's what that efficiency is. It's an art.
I'm curious though, after all these years, is there any part of you that was like, man, I wish I had just
That's why you're my
another
best
60 seconds in there, just to have a little
This one, oh, that's my panopon too.
There was a 2-9.
I don't have to, but it's right here. Those are all my panopon. It would have happened.
I bought out this. I had this already, and then I bought out this.
It would have happened. It would have happened. Lou.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Because it's right there. That's my panopon. Birdie, 70,
I was hoping,
and then
I was looking, I was like, I hope it's still before the fifth.
What did you see
Maybe.
I have 12.
immediately after the fight?
it would have happened.
Ay!
I mean, it would have happened that I would have thrown it.
Maybe not before the
Not
fifth.
before the fifth, but it would have happened. Yeah. Because it was my, panopon too.
Honest, forgot.
No, I'm waiting for you. Hey, babe,
He's gonna remember.
So you, buddy. You, buddy.
I cannot believe it lasted only not
Maybe?
even a minute. I'm telling you, because the moment I looked, I'm like, oh my god. And then that was it. Done.
What do you expect? It's rigged. No. It's rigged yan. Jake Paul lang nag-aano.
Yeah, exactly.
Who's Mano?
To last longer, I felt like I was so ready. I felt so good. I've never felt that good, but I haven't been here for 17 years, so I mean,
17 years na hindi
I
lumaban.
wanted to.
Pag nanalo ka.
Feel a little unfulfilled
Pero
because
pinaya
you
ko
didn't
yan.
get a chance to at least
Sino tong babae to?
working on.
Oh, is that why Louis were saying, I told you.
Yes.
Where were you when I was about to bet?
Years is a victory.
Oh, you didn't
Brian
say-
was telling you.
Ah,
You
didn't
didn't
tell us
listen.
there. Oh, Brian,
I
that's
just
the
feel like I wanted to
Say
fight.
at work.
Yeah, I was working, buddy. Because Jeff sent me an early bet.
Say I was
He
working.
he sent me at like 10.
This is a victory in my
As soon as I
life.
woke up, yeah, I tried calling him back to sleep.
I woke up every morning at 3 a.m. thinking about her. I took 100 pounds off of my body,
Ah, kaya pala.
which is giving me a longer life. I fell back in love with mixed martial arts. There's so many good things to think about here. Just the fight didn't go my way.
Considering you fell back in love with mixed martial arts,
Ako, no mas, no mas.
we didn't get
Well,
to
because last night, Lou,
Yeah.
he said, oh, Ronda was just not
It's a
gonna
lot.
win.
I think 44 is a lot. I'm not bringing my family back here yet, but I'm gonna go.
Wala kay lahat.
She looks like, she even has fake lashes, oh.
I know, artista na nga siya. eh.
She's fake
Sa
lashes, oh.
NCIS.
so maybe that is
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Actually, I matched up with a striker. I wanted to get some of that out.
you learn about yourself throughout all
Sa huling episode na ako ng
A fire.
Ay, I look good. Nakita ko sa ano.
Aha. Tinapos ko yun ng one day.
They treat me
Grabe.
well.
Hindi, ang ganda niya kasi.
It's not easy to get in here.
Birdie, guys.
But yesterday, last night when we were texting each other, I was really watching my Chinese show.
I already knew it.
I don't want to fight Ronda. I think that she's
The
a
title
legend,
is
and she
Fate
don't
Chooses
have to
You.
make sure
Ha?
and do whatever she
So,
wants to
Lou,
do.
when I think the chance ask you what time you're gonna be there, you on the flight tonight.
we all adore Eugene.
Why you asked me?
No, because you didn't respond.
Group chat?
Yeah.
We need to know, Lou. We need,
For the company,
she's not the only player here. We need to prepare also.
Buddy, I thought, sorry, that's my bad. That's my bad.
That's why there's a group there.
That you were included in,
Yeah.
sure.
Hello, I didn't have an
I
answer yet,
fought
so...
for this. For you to be included. Then that's what you're gonna do?
That's your payback for me?
Group text right now. I'm gonna remove Lou. Should I prepare now or?
Ayun na si Jack Paul, oh.
Yeah,
Ano,
nobody
ito
cares.
lang ano yan eh.
Nag-produce or like nag-ano? No, what is it
Oh,
called?
Manny, Lou? Jake Paul?
13?
Bilis ng itong the printer is back.
Nanalo pa pala ako sa event ko kagabi, no?
Yan.
Paano kayo, no?
30 lang.
Tres.
Okay.
kind of surreal, no?
You don't like?
God couldn't have written it better, and that's what it's all
Soting
about.
20 kami
This
sa
is a message to all the kids at home.
9 balls.
Believe in yourself.
Anyone?
You never know where life is going to take you. Just keep on knocking down the doors of opportunity, working hard, believe in your dreams, be inspired by these people, be inspired by these ladies, be inspired by these fighters, and
Ako
go
din,
after it. Never let the world take you down.
binigay.
Never let anyone stop you. Believe in yourself and keep on working
Wala
hard.
si Mari.
Wala busy.
Nung pagdating namin, wala si Mari.
Whoa, relax.
Nasa tindahan. What is it?
Sobrang busy ni Maya. Ano nga sir, ang dami ng bisita, no? Parang nalinis si Maya.
Ayoko, sayang bono.
Nakausap pa kami
Before the peak?
bagsak na naman bukas siya.
Hindi ba sabay sila ng birthday?
Buti ba tingnan pala yun?
Ewan. Ito birthday ba? What do you guys want?
That one is...
8 sticks. Oh, it's paligid.
Ano yun eh?
Paningit, paningit.
Ang lit. I
The
didn't
what?
throw it out. I didn't throw it out.
Were you praying?
Guys, of that long. Before you pull that.
As I'm like, were you praying this entire time?
Before you pull that.
Ah,
Oh my God. That is going to
bagsak ko si Maya bukas.
Yeah, kasi pabalik-balik ko sa tindahan.
I can't.
Akinor, 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 akinor.
Si Lady din naman mo.
Sabi ni Leti.
Kulang pa sa tulog eh. Kaya parang tabing siya eh.
Ang nag-chop-chop na nga ng lechon si ano, si Inomoto.
Sino ba yun?
Hindi ko rin siya kilala eh.
Pinsan ni Lady.
Hindi siya pick
Ang mukha naman. Ang mukha ng pizza ni Levi eh.
Ano, nanay, tatay ni Mira. Kaya best friend ni AB.
Mabait eh.
Best friend ni AB. Oo, sabi niya. Dito akong committee.
May phone no?
5, 10, 14.
Ang laro na lang siya ano?
Ah!
Stone it.
Hindi rin, oo. Kasi tinanong ko yung joker, sabi niya, hindi ako naglalaro ng ganung tong na may joker.
Ang laro, hindi ba?
No, may sukle. Tama na, sukle.
No, okay. Oh, you can get it.
Wow.
Oh, is that what that was? Wow.
Wow.
Sorry, wala tayo. Got it. No, I have to let the money go.
What I do? Why you always jinx people?
The best song of the UFC's entire history. But as we say, hello one more time for the
I hate that.
with Dome
You can take it off. Take it off.
The what?
Put it aside. Pull it off.
The fighters all
You
today
can pull it off.
adopted the saying, if you wait
I don't like that either. Pull it off.
That's so depressing. Ay? Ay?
86 edition. Wala?
Ha?
It's
No. I think I threw that earlier.
86 edition na wala?
I think no.
Ang gulo ng 36.
I'm like, I think no. Ah!
Was like gusto.
Ito na lang matatapon ko,
Ito
guys.
na. Ito na.
Ito na. 7 balls. That's the
7
only thing
balls,
I can
okay lang.
throw.
Sarap?
Nothing else.
Think. No.
Yes, it is. It is.
Ako, that's the only.
Yes,
That's the.
It is
Ay!
not.
That's the only. Why am I on?
Wala na,
Am I
wala na.
YouTube or Netflix?
Let me just check
Oo
this.
nga eh.
Okay, check lang ha.
Akala ko nasa Netflix ako.
Some leave, some stay, some give
Pong,
some.
pong, pong. What?
Some leave, some stay, some give some.
Ha?
I don't know.
Some leave, some stay, some give some.
Gift side?
You know what some give some is?
No. The Korean barbecue. Oh.
Oh yes, yeah, that's Korean barbecue. That's what they call it in the
Out one,
Philippines.
Larry.
I know. Well, I don't have a choice, guys. I could
You
do.
must throw.
I know. I have to throw this because if I don't throw it,
I will throw that.
you know what? Hold on.
Just kidding. I'm not
No, 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 no. It's not that. Because I can do that, do that, do that, do that. I'm gonna prolong my life. So let's prolong my life. Kang. Don't judge me.
Faster, chat, faster.
Don't judge me. Okay, here we go, guys. Is you ready?
Is you ready? Or is you not? Is you ready? Or is you not? Is you ready?
5 sticks.
Is you ready? Is you not? Is you ready? Is you not? I just want to moment.
Circuit grounds.
Boom. 5 sticks.
Is you ready? Is you
Pong,
not?
pong, pong, pong,
Is-
pong.
Oh. Sabi ko, ha?
Which one, buddy?
4 or 5? Which one do you want?
No.
So, no?
Neither one. Are you sure?
Are you sure?
This is what that was your
That's the
last
last one, buddy. Are you ready? Are you not? Are you ready? Are you not? Are you ready? Are you not?
Sino ba dyan?
Oh,
one. Oh, my cousin is there. It's in Vegas. My
yeah.
cousin is there.
I passed this year.
Yeah.
Just do what?
He don't like it.
Yeah. Because Coachella
Exactly what
did
your
it different.
bro.
This only two. Pick one.
No, I'm not picking. I'm looking.
That's it.
Oh.
That's really just it.
No. That's a 2.
Okay. Here we go. Either one. Oh, 9 cards.
Good choice.
Yeah.
That's not it. But...
It's the only thing. Wait lang.
Wait, no. Oh, I thought that was a joker. Oh, you thought that? I was 4.
Damili lang ako. 2 or 9. That's it. Ayun o, nabunot ko isang 2. Ako din, inaakyat ko. Titiliginan ko, sabi ko hindi na magkakang na ako.
Pinuno ko yun.
Yung 7 balls kanina, ba't mo ano?
Hindi ko niya. Plate card.
No, you would've just pong.
No, I said I wasn't putting it.
Yeah.
No, but it was dead. You have one? Oh no, there was one more. It was all